Coughing again, but you don't have a cold? It might be an allergic cough. Look for these signs: triggered by dust, pollen, or strong smells, a persistent dry cough without fever, and it worsens at night or during seasonal changes. Remember, it's not a virus. It's your body reacting to allergens. These reactions can be frustrating, but understanding them is the first step to relief. Homeopathy can strengthen your body's natural defenses for long-term relief without side effects. Still coughing? Connect with our experts at Gupta Homeo Clinic for personalized care and solutions.